Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia memperbarui perkembangan terbaru operasi militer khusus di Ukraina, Senin 11 April. Dalam 24 jam terakhir, militer Rusia menghancurkan gudang senjata bantuan dari negara Eropa. Rudal kaliber berbasis laut presisi tinggi di pinggiran selatan Dnipropetrovsk menghancurkan peralatan divisi rudal anti-pesawat S-300 yang dipasok ke rezim Kiev oleh negara Eropa. Senjata disembunyikan di hanggar, 4 peluncur S-300 dan hingga 25 personel angkatan bersenjata Ukraina juga terkena, kata juru bicara Kemenhan Rusia, Majen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Pada malam hari, rudal presisi tinggi berbasis udara di dekat Velikaya Novoselovka menghancurkan pangkalan perbaikan senjata dan peralatan militer pasukan pertahanan udara Ukraina, termasuk sistem rudal anti-pesawat Buk M1 dan OSA AKM. 2 gudang amunisi di dekat Nikolaev dan Zhovnevo juga telah dihancurkan, serta radar sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300 di daerah Uspenovki. Sebagai hasil dari serangan presisi tinggi, 9 tank, 5 sistem artileri self-propelled Akatsiya 2 S3, 5 peluncur roket ganda BM-21 Grad dan lebih dari 60 nasionalis dihancurkan di VOZDVIZHENKA2 dan Ivanovka, wilayah Donetsk. Pertahanan udara Rusia berarti menembak jatuh 1 pesawat Su-27 Ukraina di udara dekat Izium. Selain itu, 3 kendaraan udara tak berawak dihancurkan di dekat Balakleya di wilayah Kharkov, Gulyai-Polye dan Volnovaha, serta 1 drone Valkyrie di dekat Kalinisko di wilayah Nikolaev. Helikopter Mi-24 Ukraina ditembak jatuh di dekat Posad Pokrovsko, wilayah Kherson, oleh tembakan senjata ringan yang terkonsentrasi. Penerbangan operasional taktis Angkatan Udara Rusia menghantam 78 aset militer Ukraina. Di antaranya, 3 pos komando, 1 radar untuk penerangan dan bimbingan, 3 posisi sistem rudal anti-pesawat jarak pendek, 4 depot amunisi, serta 58 titik kuat dan area konsentrasi peralatan militer Ukraina. Secara total, 129 jet tempur dan 99 helikopter, 243 sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300, Buk M1, OSA AKM, 441 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 2079 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya. Sebanyak 239 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 909 artileri lapangan dan mortir, serta 2003 unit kendaraan militer khusus angkatan bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Majen Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. On Sunday, April 10, high-precision sea-based Kaliber missiles on the southern outskirts of Dnipropetrovsk destroyed equipment from a S-300 anti-aircraft missile division supplied to the Kiev regime by a European country, which was hidden in a hangar. 4 S-300 launchers and up to 25 Ukrainian armed forces personnel were hit too. During the night, high-precision air-based missiles near Velikaya Novoselovka destroyed weapons and military equipment repair base of the Ukrainian Air Defense Forces, including Buk M1 and OSA AKM anti-aircraft missile systems. 2 ammunition depots near Nikolaev and Zhovnevo have also been destroyed, as well as a radar of S-300 anti-aircraft missile system in Uspenovka area. As a result of high-precision strikes, 9 tanks, 5 Akatsiya 2S3 self-propelled artillery systems, 5 BM-21 Grad multiple rocket launchers, and over 60 nationalists were destroyed in Vozdvizhenka 2 and Ivanovka Donetsk region. Russian air defense planes shot down 1 Ukrainian Su-27 aircraft in the air near Izium. In addition, 3 unmanned aerial vehicles were destroyed near Balakleya in Kharkov region, Gulyai-Polye and Volnovaha, as well as 1 Valkyria unmanned aerial vehicle near Kalininskaya in Nikolaev region. A Ukrainian Mi-24 helicopter has been shot down near Posad Pokrovskaya, Kherson region, by concentrated small arms fire. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces hit 78 military assets of Ukraine, among them 3 command posts, 1 radar for illumination and guidance, 3 positions of short-range anti-aircraft missile systems, 4 ammunition depots, as well as 58 strong points and areas of Ukrainian military equipment concentration. In total, 129 aircraft and 99 helicopters, 243 anti-aircraft missile systems, S-300, Bukem-1, OSA AKM, 441 unmanned aerial vehicles, 2,079 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 239 multiple launch rocket systems, 909 field artillery and mortars, as well as 2,003 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.